Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will continue with lesson number 14, Algebraic Formulae, Expansion of Squares, Part 5. Let us begin with practice set 53. Before starting with practice set 53, we will first see how to factorize a binomial. So our first example, if we look, we will take 3a square minus 27b square. Now this binomial we have in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This is one of our algebraic formula. Now we can consider 3a as a and 27b as b. So if we substitute this in according to this formula, we can get, that is, we can first remove the common number, that is common coefficient, that is 3 a square minus 3 9s are 27, so this becomes 9 b square. Now this a square minus 9b square is of the form, that is 3 a square minus 3b the whole square. Yes, that means a square b square is of the form of a square minus b square, that is 3 into 3 if we do, that is 9. So if we put it in bracket, it becomes 3b the whole square. So now we can write in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So we can write 3 as it is, and we can write a plus b and a minus b, that is b is what, here we will write 3b and a minus 3b. Understood? Now we will take the second example, that is a square minus 9b square, which is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So a is a and b is 9b. So we can directly write a plus, that is a square minus 3b the whole square. Because we are going to do square, so 3 into 3, that is 9. If you put it in bracket, it becomes 3. So this is of the form a square minus b square, which we get a plus b is what, a plus 3b and a minus 3b. This is how we are going to factorize the binomial. Practice set 53. Factorize the following expression. Now there are certain expressions given to you, we have to factorize. Now here we are going to use our algebraic formula as a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So now here p square minus q square is there, which is of the form a square minus b square. Yes? Yeah. So now we can write it as p plus q and p minus q. So this is of the form a plus b, a minus b. Come to the second expression. Again we have the formula as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now here we can write 4x square as 2x the whole square minus 25y square we can write as 5y the whole square, which is of the form a square minus b square. So we can get a plus b, that is 2x plus 5y and 2x minus 5y. This is how we factorize the following expression. Now coming to the third example, that is y square minus 4y, which is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. This is our algebraic formula. Now we can write y square as y the whole square minus 4 we can write as 2 the whole square. This is of the form a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b, that is y plus 2 and y minus 2, which is of the form a plus b, a minus b. Fourth question, that is p square minus 125. So we are going to use our algebraic formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. First we can write p square as p the whole square minus 1 upon 25, or 1 by 25 we can write 1 by 5 the whole square. So when you multiply 5 into 5 you get 25. Now this is of the form a square minus b square. So we can write a plus b, that is p plus 1 upon 5 and p minus 1 upon 5. That is a plus b and a minus b, which is of the form of this algebraic formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Now our next question, that is fifth question, 9x square and 1 upon 16y square. We can write 9x square as 3x the whole square. So when you multiply 3 into 3 you get 9 and x into x square minus 1 upon 16. So we can write it as 1 upon 4y the whole square. When you multiply 4 into 4 you get 16 and y multiply by y you get y square. Now this is of the form a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now you can write this as 3x plus 1 upon 4y, 3x minus 1 upon 4y, which is of the form a plus b, a minus b. Sixth sum, x square minus 1 upon x square. Now x square we can write it in the form x the whole square minus 1 upon x the whole square, which is of the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as x plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x. Now this is of the form of a plus b, a minus b. This is how we factorize. Coming to the next question, seventh question, a square b minus ab. Now here we are going to factorize, that is a square we will write is a into b minus a into b. Now if you see ab and ab is common, so we will take it as common out, we will put a bracket. Now here if you see in this term, here a is remaining, so we will write it a inside the bracket minus. Now ab is common, so here nothing is there, so here we will write 1. So if you multiply a into ab you get a square b and ab into 1 we get ab. So this is how we factorize. Coming to the next question, that is 8th, that is 4x square y minus 6x square. Now 4 is number is the square, but 6 is not a square. So here we are going to factorize like we will take 2 common because 2 is divisible by 2, 4 and 6. Now 2x square x square. So x also we can remove the common. So this becomes 2x. So 2, what is remaining? 2 2s are 4. X square. So 1x is out. So here we will put x and then y minus 2 3s are 6. Again x into x square. So if you multiply and see 2 2s are 4, x into x square and y. So we get 4x square y minus 2 3s are 6, x into x square. So you get 6x square. So this is how we factorize. Ninth sum, half y square minus 8z square. Now here if you see in this monomial it is half and here it is 8. So now if you multiply 2 8s we get 16. Now if you write 16 divided by 2, we get as 8. So if there is 16 and if I divide it by 2, I get the answer as 8. Now here let us see, that is half, we will remove common out. Okay. And then we will write as y square. What is remaining? Half into y square, that is half y square. Minus, can we write 16? Yes. So 2 divided by 16 we get 8. That is 16z square. Yes, when you divide 16 divided by 2, you get the answer as 8z square. So you can write half y the whole square minus 16 is the square, that is 4z the whole square. So 4 into 4 you get 16. Now this is of the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So we can write half as 4, that is y plus 4z and y minus 4z. This is how we factorize. Now coming to the next question, that is 2x square minus 8y square. Now here we have to remove 2 common out because 2 is divisible by 8 also and 2 also. So 2 in the bracket you write x square minus 4y square. Now you can write 2 as, that is x the whole square minus 4, you can write 2y the whole square. 2 multiplied by 2 you get 4, that is y into y, y square. Now this is of the form a square minus b square, which you can write as a plus b, a minus b. So here we will write x plus 2y and x minus 2y. So this is how we factorize the given expression. Okay children.